Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox a brand new style from Rene of Paris. This is from the Alexander Couture collection, and this one is called Sophia and the color is Caramel Swirl. If you want to see more about this, just keep watching. Alright, I can't wait to unbox this new style. This wig was provided to me by Wig Studio One to review for you today. And we will have a look. Oh wow, look at this beautiful color. Caramel Swirl. Now if you have any questions about this, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. They'll be happy to answer any questions. And you can also live chat with them anytime during normal business hours. If you just go to the wigstudio1.com website, you can live chat with them as well if you have any questions. And I'll also put a link in the description box where you can order this. Look at this color, it's so pretty. Oh, I love flipping ends. So a longer style. These are really soft. Just running my hands through here. Look how this is beautiful. Really soft fibers. These are heat friendly as well. So heat friendly synthetic. Let's have a look at this cap. I can tell this is going to be really low density just by the feel of it. Now this has an extended lace front and a left mono part. There looks like there might be the smallest amount of permatease right here, but I can tell it's not going to be much at all. Open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays. It has a non-extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. It is really pretty. I like this color. Now, let's have a look at this color. They describe this as a warm caramel with chocolate brown, yes. Honey toned highlights. They really are. They're saying these are chunky highlights, but I'm not sure about that yet. Let's see how it looks when I get it on. I'll also show you this in some different lighting. And then on a brown root, a very, very, just very well done color here. Okay, let's try this on. Okay, let's try this on and see what kind of fit we have. Fits me a little large. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take it up a little because I feel like I took the tag off as well because it's easier for me to show you without that tag on it. I'm just going to pull it in a little bit with the adjusters to get a little tighter fit. Okay, that's much better. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and like I said, that was a little big on me, so oh my goodness, these fibers are like feathers. They are so soft. Wow, that's the first thing I notice is how soft and lightweight these fibers are. Really pretty. The fringe on this is 6½ to 9½. Let me show you that. The crown's 10½ to 12½. So it's got that longer crown. The nape is 9½, and it weighs 4.3 ounces. I'm going to take out this part just a little so you can kind of see how that looks. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful longer style wig. If you like a longer wig, please have a look at this because I just cannot get over how soft these fibers are on this style. Long, lots of movement. This feels so lightweight as well. This feels like I don't even have anything on my head, which are usually on a lot longer styles like this, they feel a little weighty to me. This does not, because like I said, these fibers are just so lightweight and fine. They're beautiful. Wow, what a pretty color. Let's take a look at this in some different lighting. Now, like I said, these are heat-friendly fibers. Even though this has this flip here, now you could straighten this board straight, or I think this would be gorgeous to add some more curl to it and just make it a lot of waves here. Now, like I said, permatease, very, very small amount, if any. I feel some around the back and at the nape, a small amount, but nothing, not a lot or anything. You can tell this is pretty sleek. Small amount, just very small. There is some, but it is not an overabundance in any way, in my opinion. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I like this length. 6.5 to 9.5 again, and then 10.5 to 12.5 at the crown, 9.5 inch nape. So much movement here. They did a great job with this one. Okay, I definitely think you could easily put this in a ponytail. There's plenty of length here for that, for sure. So this definitely will work in a ponytail. Leave a little out. Love that. Could also just pull the bang back off your face if you like. This is so pretty. I like wigs with flippy ends, but like I said, this being heat friendly, you could just make this completely straight if you would like. Wear it with a headband, of course. And let me zoom in so you can see this lace front. Okay, so really nice lace front. There's my bow hair here and here, so you get good coverage there as well. Did a really nice job on the lace front. Thanks for stopping by today and having a look at this new style from Rene of Paris. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.